Hi, thank you so much for joining. If I haven't had the pleasure of meeting you already, my name is Sylvia Breitbart and I work with the City of Woodstock Office of Economic Development. And today I had the pleasure of meeting with Leaning Ladder. I have Sue and Joanna. Hello, Sue. Hi, Joanna.
Hello.
Sue, I know a lot of people already are familiar with Sue, but not everybody is familiar with Joanna. Did you want to take this opportunity to introduce her?
I would. Thank you, Sylvia. Hello, this is Joanna Scott, and Joanna is the newest addition to Leaning Ladder Olive Oil, and I am thrilled to have her. She is exactly what we needed. And Joanna's responsibilities will be business development and customer engagement. I'll turn it over to you, Joanna.
Thanks, Sue. Yeah, I'm so pleased to be here. Meeting the customers, curbside has been pleasurable. We are looking forward once all of our customers are joining us back in the store. So, and that's what Leaning Ladders are really all about. So I appreciate Sue taking a chance on me and employing someone during this pandemic. So I'm so pleased to be here. Thanks.
Well, we are
Thanks for
too,
coming.
and we appreciate the time that you're giving us. But we wanted to focus on Leaning Ladder and what specials and promotions that you have going on during the COVID-19 pandemic, and how your customers can essentially get a hold of you. Because I don't believe you're open to the public or coming in.
Yeah.
We have our temporary hours right now we are closed Monday through Wednesday, open Thursday through Sunday from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And I need to give a shout out to our customers who have been absolutely fabulous in supporting us, and we truly appreciate them. And so what we have been doing is just curbside, call the store to order, or place an order online. We will do curbside delivery and or delivery within a 10-mile radius.
Yeah, and we've always shipped, and we're continuing to ship to our customers, especially as we gear up for Mother's Day. So we would love your business. If you need a Mother's Day gift, we can ship it. You can pick it up curbside, as Sue said, or we'll even deliver it to your mom for something special.
And what can we choose from? What do you have? I know we see a counter full of stuff. So how can we support Leaning Ladder? And what are your specials?
Well, a real easy thing to do is buy a gift card. That's always something easy to do. So next time you have the availability to come in and take a cooking class or a future purchase from us, that's great. But we are so happy to create a custom basket for you. We fit any budget, any style or interest that your mom might have, and if it's or your grandmother or an aunt or a special neighbor.
And you can just give us a call. We can help walk you through the different options that are available, or help you to choose different pairings or wines or whatever it is that you think mom might love.
Yeah, a couple other things we do, and we've definitely had to think about our customer and adapt, and just try to stay not only financially viable, but also just to be able to stay in front of our customer and engage our customer. And we are an essential business. People use our products for a lot of health related benefits, and they rely on our product in their kitchen on a daily basis. So we did, it's a lot of things that families love with kids at home these days. This is our brownie kit. It's a box of brownies, and it comes with our orange infused olive oil. This kit sells for $14.95, and it's a really easy, we could call it a home ec type activity to do at home.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, so this is great. We've been selling a lot of these that moms and dads and grandmas and grandpas have been doing at home with the kids. People have been coming to us during the weekends. About 7 weeks ago, we developed a take and make kit. It was really to answer the call for our customers that can't engage in our cooking classes on a weekly basis. And also a lot of our customers were just kind of saying to us, oh, you know, we need something new to make for dinner, or I want to,
understand that.
yeah, I want to support you, but I don't need any olive oil or vinegar right now. What else can we buy? What else can we do? And so Sue and I developed something called a take and make, and there's an example right over there. You would call the store on Thursday or Friday, see what our weekly offering is, and then you would place your order over the phone. And a majority of our take and make customers just drive up curbside either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, and they pick up their kit. And the kit is everything you need to make a restaurant quality meal at home. It feeds up to 4 people. They're typically priced around $65, and a majority of our kits all come with a bottle of wine or something like the kit that you had gotten, Sylvia, came with a bottle of sangria. And all of our kits have one or many, a lot of the times it's many, full-size products, our amazing assortment of gourmet products that we have in the store, and every ingredient and the recipe that you need to make the meal at home. So those have been phenomenal.
So great. So there's instructions and how to actually take it home and make it. Wonderful.
Yeah, and anyone can do it.
Right.
Yeah, that's the great part. Yeah.
So as a community, and we have such a great community that has come together to help a lot of our small businesses and retail restaurants, what can we do other than getting the kit? What can we ultimately do to help support Leaning Ladder?
Well, we appreciate all the support that you have already given us, but what we would really like to see is our children's cooking camps that we will be holding this summer next door. We would love for you to help us to continue to advertise those. If you have any corporate events coming up, we would love to host your events, or anyone else that you know that may be having a corporate event. We're doing cooking competitions and just a cooking class, a dinner out for you and your husband, you and your spouse. We would love if you could help us to continue to promote that as well.
Thank you so much for all this information and being such an essential part of our community. And again, remember, contact Leaning Ladder. If you have a social event that's coming up later on in the year, think of them and all of their wonderful kits that they're offering as well. So thank you. Bye-bye.